Rita Ora has all attention firmly on her eye-popping bold and bright yellow outfit. The former X Factor judge made a bold statement in this colorful ensemble. A lot of celebrities moan about not being able to head out in public without getting pestered. But not 25-year-old singer Rita Ora. The former X Factor judge really wasn't hard to spot when she stepped out in this eye-popping bright yellow ensemble on Wednesday. The pop beauty had all eyes firmly fixed on her as she jumped into a car in New York. Rita even teamed the fluffy yellow sweater and yellow trousers with a pair of matching yellow heels, a source told the Sun newspaper earlier this month. Rita is in a dream world as she's landed the ultimate gig. She'll be mixing her two passions of fashion and music and taking over from a TV institution in Tyra. Next, top model bosses wanted to inject some freshness back into the format, and they see Rita as the ideal new face. She is releasing a new single later this year to coincide with it. America's Next Top Model ran for 22 series over the space of 12 years before the CW network pulled it last year. But it has been picked up again by VH1, and former host Tyra will remain as an executive producer.